Afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV, and we have a Wildwood, a Forest River Wildwood 2022 year model, and this particular one is a 26D Bud. I'm gonna walk around it with you here. This particular unit has the battery disconnect. It has electric stabilizer jacks. Sewer hookup in the rear. Water heater, outside shower. The switch for the stabilizer jacks on the front and rear. Outside speakers, backed for a TV, so you can actually mount a TV on the outside. This particular unit has the outside cooking area. It has the Ever-Chill refrigerator. The griddle top. I think we're going to walk inside and look around. This particular unit has the double bunks, but it has the huge slide with the Versa Lounge. What this is, the TV mounts over here on the wall. You can sit here. It actually folds out to a bed for a taller adult. You can put a 6.5 foot person on this bed easy. Has the 12 volt Ever-Chill refrigerator. Huge pantry. Has the bathroom, which is actually accessible from the outside. Turn around, it's got place for the TV, fireplace. This particular unit has a small storage closet right as soon as you walk in. We're going to walk up to the bedroom area. Very nice bedroom, cabinetry on both sides, and a closet in the bedroom.